Welcome to Brookings, and specifically 1106 12th Street South. Today we're going to explore a home in a location that truly delivers. So let's take a look and let me show you what I'm talking about. When you choose this area, you're investing not just in a home, you're embracing a lifestyle. Brookings is celebrated for its welcoming feel, affordable cost of living, and access to amenities for all ages. Here in the southern portion of the city, residents enjoy short commutes, more time for family and living, less time in the car. Look around you, tree-lined streets, friendly neighbors waving as you walk by, and a block that feels settled. Whether you're heading out for a morning stroll, dropping the kids at school, or walking the dog at a nearby park, the rhythm of this community supports real life. Schools, playgrounds, and recreation are all within reach. The local vibe leans traditionally in a good way, where kids play outside, you know your neighbors, and you're part of something. And because the city continues to grow without losing its hometown character, there's comfort and stability. You're entering a neighborhood with roots and future. What about weekends? Maybe you'll catch a local event, barbecue in the backyard, or simply enjoy a quiet evening on the front porch as the sun sets. Now, let's shift our focus to the home at 1106 12th Street South. Built in 1977, this ranch-style residence offers classic integrity and room to make it your own. On the main level, you'll find two generous bedrooms, one featuring a convenient walk-in closet, and then a living room area that has been expanded to accommodate gathering or relaxing. The laundry is currently on the main level for ease of use, and the lower level awaits your finishing touches. Outside, the large lot and the attached two-stall garage complete the picture. All of this is located within this exceptional neighborhood we've just shown you. It's more than just a house. It's a home set with a community that values tradition, comfort, and connection. If you've been looking for a place where neighborhood matters, where roots run deep, and the future feels grounded, 1106 12th Street South offers both of those. Reach out today and let us welcome you home. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.